Hi and welcome to this 4-minute deep dive into the world of ants. Ants are one of the most fascinating and diverse species on our planet, and today, we're going to explore their history, evolution and the many wonders of their societies. Ants have been around for more than 100 million years and have adapted to a wide range of environments and lifestyles. They can be found in almost every corner of the world, from tropical rainforests to deserts, and they are one of the most successful and abundant groups of insects on Earth. Ants belong to the Hymenoptera order of insects, which also includes bees and wasps. They are known for their social behavior, where they live and work together in large colonies. Ants have undergone a number of changes and adaptations throughout their evolutionary history. Fossil evidence shows that the earliest known ants lived in the early Cretaceous period, about 130 million years ago. These ancient ants were small and primitive, and they lived in individual nests rather than large colonies. Over time, ants evolved to form larger and more complex societies. They developed new ways of communicating and working together, and they also began to specialize in different tasks within the colony. This division of labor is one of the key features of ant societies and has allowed them to become highly successful and widespread. There are over 12,000 species of ants, each with their own unique features and behaviors. Ants can vary in size from tiny, barely visible insects to large, powerful predators that can take down prey many times their own size. Ants can also be found in a wide range of habitats, from underground nests in deserts to aerial colonies in rainforests. They can also be classified based on their nesting habits, such as arboreal ants that live in trees, and subterranean ants that live in the ground. Ants are famous for their highly organized and cooperative societies. Ant colonies are made up of three main castes: workers, soldiers, and reproductive individuals, queens and drones. Each caste has a specific role to play within the colony, and they work together to ensure the survival and success of the colony as a whole. Ants communicate with each other using a combination of chemicals, touch, and sound. They use pheromones to mark trails, to attract mates, and to signal danger. They also use touch and sound to communicate with each other, such as the famous ant drumming, where ants tap their antennae together to signal a threat or to coordinate a collective response. Ants have developed a number of fascinating behaviors and adaptations over the course of their evolution. Some species of ants practice slaves raids, where they capture and enslave other ant species to work within their own colony. Other ants have developed symbiotic relationships with plants, such as the well-known relationship between acacia trees and ant species that protect the trees in exchange for food and shelter. Ants have also developed remarkable problem-solving abilities and the ability to work together to achieve complex goals. For example, some species of ants can work together to carry objects many times their own weight, and others can build elaborate underground nests with intricate tunnels and chambers. And that concludes our 7-minute journey into the fascinating world of ants.